What causes infectious disease? Microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, and fungi can invade our body and cause diseases. These organisms are called pathogens or germs. Once pathogens enter our bodies, they may destroy cells and release harmful toxins, which make us ill. So how does a virus or bacteria enter our bodies? Pathogens can enter our bodies in different ways. They can enter through the air. For example, germs can spread by coughing or sneezing, can release millions of microbes into the air in the form of droplets, which can then infect somebody else if they breathe in the same air. Through direct contact between people, or contaminated objects or surfaces. By shaking the hand of an infected person, there is a chance of infection. Pathogens can get into our food at any point along the food chain from plow to plate. Whereas, some pathogens enter our body by drinking water that is contaminated by human or animal feces, which may contain disease-causing microbes. It's not just people that spread the germs, but animals and insects can spread disease. For example, mosquitoes carry the malarial parasites and infect people when they bite, or the fleas that grow on rats carry bacteria that cause the plague. Pathogens could enter our body via a cut or scratches on our skin, or even when we touch the contaminated object and then rub our eyes or touch our face. What do pathogens do when they enter the body? Once the virus or bacteria is in, it can travel in the blood to any cell or part of our body. Typically, viruses or bacteria can invade part of our bodies with a specific type of cells. For example, a virus cannot reproduce by itself. It needs host cells to create new viruses. So a virus attacks and takes over the human cell, and instructs it to make new viruses, using chemicals from cytoplasm and nucleus of the cell. After a while, the new viruses burst out, ready to infect other cells. On the other hand, bacteria can reproduce on their own and usually reproduce outside cells. Pathogenic bacteria feed on organic material inside our bodies. How does the human body fight pathogens?